Guys, so today we're playing bleh cat. So let's just get started. We're not gonna be late today because today's 89%. So yeah, so ready. Are you guys ready? I hope so. What the heck? Why is everything so silver? What? Just let's do it. Why can't I get this? Meow? I'm gonna die. What? Why could I? Oh. What the heck is wrong? What? Oh. I thought I would be stuck there forever. Let's look at this. Oh. Okay, and I'm gonna get the blue sheep. Let's go. How will we know if the cat is here? Okay. Oh, this looks like the cat milk. Oh wait, these are milk. Bruh. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh no, the cat's there. Oh. Holy crap. Okay, the 4 numbers blue. You guys remember that the 4 numbers blue. Oh yeah, this is like oh hi, finally you're in a video. Hello, finally got the purple tree. I hope the cat's not okay. This is the tricky one because I only play on my iPad. Oh no! This is the tricky part in phones, not iPad. Yeah, I made it! Wait, this looks like the color of the sea where Junpei lives in. Okay, 2 numbers. Girl. Guys, guys are in a video. What we video. Bro, why is the cat always coming? You know, let's just go. Okay, we found it. Oh yeah, Junpei lives in there. Oh wow, that's great. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, we got the green key. Let me see. Are they even... Oh, okay, 3 number is yellow. And crouch. Now where's the... Okay. Okay, we need planks for that. Okay. Oh no. Gotta go quick. Let's go to break the glass. Oh no, I haven't. Oh. What did I lose? Oh no, I didn't. Oh, that was close. Okay, someone already found the plank. I might just go to this room because it's not safe. I'm so scared. Let's get this going. And blue. Everyone close your ears. Finally. Yay. Let's go. Okay, I still didn't find any planks. Let's go. Oh no. The cat's there. Oh, I'm so scared. There's no planks here either. Why is there still the sign to break these? That's kind of weird. Why can't I find anything? There's a fish here. Okay. Oh no. Ha 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 ha. Crouch back. That was close, actually. Wait, did someone die? Oh, bummer. I'm sorry for that. Or did he just... I think he just arrived. Let's go to the safe zone. This is gonna be so fun. One number is yellow, 2 number is red, 4 number is blue, and what color am I missing? Yeah. What? Yeah, and 3 number is green. There's nothing there also. Are there any planks there? Or here? Blue and 3 number is green, 2 number is red, 1 number is yellow. What? It didn't work. Okay, maybe I just tried the wrong. I think 3 number is yellow. 2 number is red. Okay, that was Wait, guys, can you wait? I'm just coming for a sec.
Meow. Meow.
Guys, I'm back. Where can I find another plane? Where's the pink door anyway? Oh no, I'm lost. Oh wait, no. I gotta go back. I'm really afraid of the cat. We'll go to the safe zone. Oh, did this girl cut? Oh, I know you can. What a bummer. I'm sorry for this. Hello. Are you even real or a bot? I hope you're my fan. I hope you're not a bot. Because I like your avatar. Let us go there. Okay. Oh no! That was so close. That was like so close. I got scared a lot. I really like these monies. Like they're so detailed. I really wish I could play Roblox right now. I mean Minecraft. Why did I say Roblox? Let me get the pinky key first. Nice. Okay. Which one is it? Oh, the yellow. Maybe red? No. Or maybe green. Or blue. I think blue. And then maybe red. Oh wait, I didn't get the fish. We got one more. We got one more. And then we can win. Blue, then red. Oh guys, I'm actually really excited because this is like a long video. Okay, Okay, this is gonna be the easiest part. Oh shoot. I take back my words. Actually not. Oh yes, I did. I just take back my words. It's not easy. Actually. Okay. Yay! Oh no, that scared me. What? Did the cat left? I think so. Okay, finally the moment of truth. Oh, what's gonna look, guys? What's gonna happen now? Oh. Yay, we finally got the key, guys. Ah. The white key. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yay. Look, guys. Look at this beautiful place. Look at the black cat is gonna come. I will just give her a fish.
Meow.
Let's escape. Yeah. We escaped. Oh, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you next time. Bye.